Oli. Look.
I see. Is your phone or mine?
Yours. Mine cannot record. Look at mine. I got a little bit of You see now?
Wait. Oh, this is the lady next door?
Yeah. She went back in. Oh, I finished with your phone.
Yeah, because we made it up halfway too.
Yeah.
After that, we wouldn't go anymore. But you got it on my phone?
No.
She went back in?
A little bit, yeah. Because I didn't realize my stop was just by myself. Oh, mais c'est ça, c'est pensé à cela. Descends là-bas, mais on laisse chaud pour. Regardez pour la monter et tomber. Oh, it's a woman. I don't know how to. Oh, she's gonna fall. You gotta do this holding. I'm laughing. Oh, she's gonna get back of the car.
Oh, he didn't even get in the car. It's rolling back. Oh no, please don't hit that guy's truck.
You got it up?
That car don't got any traction control.
Oh, I see what it's doing. It's gonna go down.
No, go down or either pull it back in. Which I don't think it's gonna help. It's gonna stop. Oh.
It's the loss.
Where does he go? Okay.
You think they're gonna go backwards?
Please don't. Oh my God.
Oh, please don't fly. Please don't. Whoa, 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 whoa. Move on, move on. Oh, we're gonna try the other way?
But why? This is still a hill.
Maybe you think if you got enough speed, it will go. Oh, I guess you made it. Yep.
I can't stop. Well, I guess he's just gonna leave it on top.
Yeah, no, she's gonna take it out. Oh.